Hi there, Jennifer Jimenez here, and today we are going to be talking about life lessons from a busy mom, wife, and business owner, entrepreneur. Now, I have learned many of these lessons from some of the most successful women entrepreneurs and change agents in the world, including my own experiences helping literally thousands of women shift from feeling unfulfilled, unhappy, unhealthy, and even burned out to feeling totally healthy, vibrant, fulfilled, lit up, healthy, and in love. And I've taken everything I've learned, and I am now the founder and director of the Health and Wellbeing Division of the Brave Thinking Institute. Here at the Brave Thinking Institute, our mission is to empower people to create and live a life they love. Now, I could probably teach on this piece of content for weeks, years, even months, and yet there are 5 core secrets, 5 tools that I have discovered that I truly live by. And these are game changers. These absolutely help as a guiding light, almost like a North Star or, a compass that really help me make sure that I don't get lost, that I don't forget what matters, and ultimately wake up one day feeling disconnected from my husband, unhappy in my life, as a irritated mom, because there was a time in my life when I did feel those things. And I feel like I did get lost, and I was able to find my way back to health and happiness and joy. And now I have the absolute privilege of literally helping thousands of other women find their way to their most vibrant, healthy, happy self. So no matter what you're feeling today, maybe you're feeling completely disconnected, or maybe you're feeling like you just love to get a little boost and to stay at the top of your game. So let's unpack these 5 tools, these 5 secrets. The first tool is that it's not the quantity of time that matters with our loved ones and ourself, but the quality of time. So the idea is that it's much better to spend 10 minutes of quality time really connecting with yourself, your children, your spouse, or doing something that really matters to you than to go a whole day half assing it, so to speak, or just going through the motions half asleep. And I know you know what I mean, but really taking quality time to connect. The second is, what would I love versus what do I think others want or need me to do? And that is so key, because the what would I love are those bucket list items. They're often the wellness items. They're often the things that bring the most joy, but more often than not are the things that go by the wayside when we feel like we don't have the time or the energy. And yet we don't want to get to the end of our life having lived 1 year 90 times. And now all of a sudden we're older, we don't have quite the same energy, and we haven't actually done the things we came here to do, or we haven't brought forth the dreams in our heart. Life is short, it is flying by. And so, really, truly, the question is, what would you love? Do you want to plant a garden? Do you want to take a dance class? Do you want to learn how to speak another language? Do you want to run to the beach and just take a day off? What would you love? And give yourself the permission, at least once a week, or at the very least once a month. Again, it's not the quantity of time, but the quality of time to do the things that you would love. The third tool or secret is that you are deserving of receiving support. I know I fell for this for many, many years back when I felt burned out before I learned these tools, that I would do it all, or think that if I didn't do it, it wasn't going to get done as good. And what I've learned along the way is that it's okay that I'm not the one doing everything. And there are absolutely things on my to-do list that someone else can do better, and or that someone else likes to do more than me. And if I just open myself up and ask myself, what are the things that are causing the most longing and discontent that I'm still doing? And I allow myself to recognize what those are and to ask for support and or delegate those things, you will be so much happier. The fourth tip is to put yourself in the center of your own love, and support. If you look at your day, your week, your month, you want to be asking yourself, how often am I treating myself with the same love and kindness as I do my own children or my spouse or my work projects? What if you are your own best friend, your own most important, valuable person? How would you treat yourself? How would you feed yourself? What would you do to take optimal care of your being? And just start with small little snippets of time, which really leads me to my tip number 5. And that is that little tokens of love can make a big splash. So that could be just an extra few seconds in a hug with one of your children, or really getting down on the floor for 5 minutes and playing with them if they're small, or walking into your teenager's room and bringing them, just a glass of water, or just saying, you know what? I really appreciate about you, and praise the specifics. It could be taking 5 minutes, putting your feet up, and just doing a 5-minute guided meditation. So little tokens of love for yourself and your loved ones can absolutely make a big splash. So I hope you have enjoyed these 5 tips in this month of celebrating mothers and Mother's Day. Just know, whether you have a mother that is still alive, or we're celebrating our Gaia, Pachamama, Mother Earth, or we're celebrating the Divine Mother in each and every one of us, know that what you do matters. Know that the love in your heart and the dreams in your heart matter. And know that you absolutely deserve to live a life you love. And these 5 tips can absolutely take you there. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Feel free to like the video and/or share it with those that you love. And we would love to continue to help you build your dreams through dream building and brave thinking. And until next time, have a fantastic day. Bye for now.